When using one of LogTag's USRID 16 loggers, users are able to gain information about their logging status by viewing the LCD display on the logger. During logging, the display will provide the user with information such as the current temperature and any alarm excursions. The Start Mark button is used to start the logger or place an inspection mark within the data. The Stop Review button is used to stop the logger or review the recorded data during the trip. If DTS displays the logger has been pre-configured for a specific date and time start. If Delay ST displays the logger as pre-configured for a push-button start with a start delay. Finally, if the logger is pre-configured to start when the Start Mark button is pressed, Ready will display on the screen. To begin logging, press and hold the Start Mark button until recording appears on the LCD display. Once logging has successfully begun, the temperature from the latest reading taken will display on the screen, along with a tick mark to show there has been no alarm excursions. If the recently recorded temperature is above or below the alarm threshold, a single arrow will appear on the logger indicating whether an upper or lower alarm threshold has been triggered. If an alarm event occurs, a cross symbol will display in the top left corner of the screen. During logging, if the Start Mark button has been pressed, the mark symbol will appear and remain until the next reading is taken. The next reading taken will be identified in the downloaded data with an inspection mark. At any time, you can review the recorded minimum and maximum temperatures by briefly pressing the Stop Review button. The highest recorded temperature during the trip so far is shown, indicated by max. Pressing Stop Review for a second time will show the lowest recorded temperature during the trip so far, indicated by min. The review screens can be exited at any time by pressing the Start Mark button or by waiting 30 seconds without pressing any button. If the logger has been configured to stop logging when the Stop Review button is pressed, press and hold the Stop Review button until stopped appears on the screen and recording disappears. Once the logger has stopped recording, the latest temperature taken will disappear. A checkmark will display if no alarm events were recorded. If an alarm event occurred, a crossmark will appear in the top left corner.